In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Play Store keeps showing you this app isn't available in your region error while trying to download an app. So to fix this, you first need to download this VPN app. So download the Turbo VPN app. Once you have downloaded the app, your next step is to create a new Google account because this method will not work with your existing Google account. So for that, first open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. In this menu, tap on Manage Accounts. Here you should see all your Google accounts as well as other accounts. Simply scroll all the way down and then tap on Add Account. Here you will need to select Google, of course. Now here you will need to select Create Account. So simply tap on Create Account and then select For My Personal Use. Now simply enter the details. Once you have created your Google account, your next step is to reset the Play Store data. So simply long press on the Play Store icon and then tap this info icon here. Now here select Force Stop and then tap on OK. Now scroll down and then tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Now select Clear Data and then hit Delete to confirm. Now simply go ahead and open the Turbo VPN app. Now here tap on this menu icon at the top and then select server location. Now in here scroll down and then tap on United States. Now here select one of the free options. So I'll just select Miami for this example. Now simply wait for the VPN to connect. Now you can minimize the VPN app. Now once you see this key icon at the top on the status bar, it means that your phone is now connected to a US network. Now all you have to do is open Google Play Store. Now tap on Get Started. Now by default it will show your older Google account. Simply tap on the profile icon at the top. Tap this arrow right here and then select the account that you just created. Now accept the terms and conditions. Now simply go ahead and search for the app that you wanted to download. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.